the 1 million youths. And we feel it is important that we come together as a committee to look at how we are going to support this coalition you are driving by ensuring that it is a youth-driven coalition. And at this point in time, let us bring the vibrant youth, because what you are leading today, you are fighting for our future, and it is about us. I tell most people that what you are doing today is just for the next generation. And this has really affected us, and that is what brought this group of men together. Now, our diversity, we have members from different political parties here present. We have people in the PDP, in the APC, in the Labour Party and other political parties. We have youth activists among us. We have student representations amongst us. And we have extensively been meeting over a month ago, and we created a committee to look inwards and deliberate on how are we to drive this youth coalition. So we came up with a document which will still be discussed at length by other speakers that are here present. And we said we have to come and meet with you to ensure that we get your backing, because you are the only leader we see in the country today that has been consistent when it comes to the fight of democracy. So we felt if we don't play our part to support it, it's a disservice to us and our future.
Of 45 age should be nominated per senatorial district. We are nominating 2 persons, so one should be woman that is 45 years of age. Then inclusivity, we feel that those people living with disability should be considered, so should not be rejected. In as far as they meet this criteria, they should be considered in the selection process. Then we have geographical representation, where we
are willing once they see a change. And what is that change? The fronting of youths. But we are coming to you, Your Excellency, because we know that you are the leader of the democracy that we're seeking. And we know that you are the leader of the new coalition that we are seeing. And we're soliciting for your understanding with the strategy we're bringing forward to say, help us have that inclusion in the coalition and give us a mandate to deliver as we desire right now as youths in Nigeria.
That of recent, you have been having a swift response, especially when it comes to even the issue of Benue killings. From time to time, I have seen your press release statements, and I have read them, and you have been so in-depth on it. So I'm very happy and proud of you. Well, we will not talk much.
Youngest age of retirement and left. So it's been a struggle all my life, let me say so. And I wasn't struggling for myself, I was struggling for my generation. And apparently, I still don't seem to be satisfied that my generation has done, the best. Yes, you have the largest population within the population of our country, but you are the most vulnerable of the population, youth and women. Of course, women are also part of youth because they are. I still continue to charge you to take more challenges in our electoral processes. My view is that you don't dare enough, in our electoral process. I think it requires both of us working together to make sure that objective is achieved. And the objective can only be achieved by the unity of the youth, the hard work and participation of the youth. Believe me, nothing more than that. For a brighter future for, this country. Because you are the future of this country, and you should not take it for granted. I assure you that as far as I'm concerned, I will continue to give you the necessary support, guidance, and and leadership so that you can succeed us. We are on our way out. No doubt about that. There are few of my contemporaries who are still in politics, but I'm still there. I'm still there because of you. Thank you very much.